We are here to make some mocktail magic for you babies. I am Angela, one half of our production team here at the Light Cellar, and we wanted to create a mocktail that Holly has named The Last Call because it's a perfect end to a beautiful evening. So what we were going for with this drink is we wanted to be able to create like calming, sort of like, you know, when you're about to go to sleep, but you can't sleep because your heart is racing, your mind is racing. So many ingredients in this drink are designed to just kind of take that down a notch or two. So we're going to begin with some dragon fruit and pearl powder. Pearl powder is amazing as a, as a beauty supplement, but we use it, or food, but we are using it here as sort of like a Shen heart calmer, very grounding. Dragon fruit, really rich, obviously, in so many polyphenols with that beautiful color, but also amazingly rich in magnesium, which helps us calm and rest. So we're going to start with that. We're going to throw in a little bit of water. If you have a cocktail shaker at home, you could use that, but you could just do this method as well. Look at that beautiful color. Shake it up. We could do our little Tom Cruise cocktail action here, if any of you get that reference. All right. Then with our cup, we're going to do a little rim because it's kind of fun to do a rim. So I'm going to try. Get your glass wet. And then this is a little rose sugar. Rose, another amazing little, this is an option. You don't need to do this. It's just like fun little, beautiful, tasty treat. Then we've got our little rose ice cubes, which again, you can just use regular ice cubes. When we're thinking about designing a drink, we think about the flavor profile of the drink. So little sweet, little sour, little bitter action if we can. Lemon lime balm has a little bit of bitter and a little bit of sour. And it is, again, another one of those quintessential anxiolytics, which is a herb that helps us calm our mind, calm our body. Red jujube gives us a nice sweetness to it. It's also just a beautiful, well, it has many, many good qualities, but one of them in this case is to really calm the Shen as well. The Shen is that heart energy. It's a TCM, a traditional Chinese medicine. Tip, we just got all these tips from Amy, who is our TCM student on the floor, and she's amazing. Then we're going to top it with our dragon fruit pearl powder. Oh, I love that color. And then we're going to use some tart cherry juice. We don't use a lot of juice in our recipes, but this particular tart cherry juice, well, tart cherry juice in general, amazing for, increasing our melatonin, and you can spill it all over if you want. That's okay. We just use a tablespoon because we don't want too much sugar before we go to bed, although a little bit's good for balancing our carbohydrates. We're going to top it with some, this is sparkling water. You could use whatever you like. And that's it. Give it a little stir. And you are good to go. Let's try it. Drink from the rose sugar side. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Sweet dreams, my friends.